I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the watch and know the main buttons. Begin immediately. Press mode repeatedly until you land on the alarm or chime display. That's usually where the hourly signal lives. Once on that screen, make sure the seconds or alarm icons are visible so you know you're in the right place. If you see multiple alarms, stop at the general alarm page or the page labeled SIG or hourly. This gets the watch ready for the actual toggle step next. Now flip the actual switch. Press Adjust or SET to enter the edit state. The display should flash or show a cursor. Then press the button labeled Search, Forward, or Light to cycle options until the SIG, chime, or hourly indicator is OFF or disappeared. Once it reads OFF, press Adjust/SET again to confirm and exit. Make sure you don't change other alarm settings by accident. Only the SIG or hourly option needs to be disabled to stop the beep each hour. Finish by exiting to the main time screen and wait through the next hour mark to verify the beeping stopped. If it still beeps, try toggling OFF again or perform a soft reset per your manual. Some watches require holding Adjust for 3-5 seconds. As a last resort, remove the battery briefly or perform a factory reset, then repeat the steps. If problems persist, consult the model-specific manual for SIG, chime, or key mapping differences. That usually resolves brand-specific quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.